So today we're going to turn these pallet boards into a little footstool slash coffee table for the TV room. That's the project for today. It's a frosty day. It was got to below 0 Celsius last night, and summer's coming to an end. Winter's coming. I'll give you an update as I go along. And this is what we got so far. It's the basic frame. So we'll level it off and put the top on. I think we'll have to put some stuff around the bottom there just to make it a little stronger, but we'll see how it... Don't want to over-engineer this too much. Alright, so finish the trim part at the top. 245s here. Finish it up nice. We'll even things up when we sand. Still haven't decided if I'm going to put something at the bottom here yet. We'll see how it looks, see how stable it is. Alright, we'll give you another picture when I'm done all the trim work. Well, that's it. So it cost me exactly about 40 cents, maybe $1 with the fasteners. And I think it'll be alright. I like the looks of the rough boards. Quick little project for our TV room. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you on the next one.